One of the most common areas where you have a vacuum leak on these N62 engines, which are fitted in the most of the 7 series is an E66, E65, is this crankcase ventilation pipe. You're gonna have a problem where you have a vacuum leak and then you're getting a random misfire. Of course, other things could cause a problem with the random misfire, like including your fuel filter and also your fuel pump. And if you don't have enough fuel pressure, you will have that. But in most cases, and this is the problem so far from my experience, this breather hose cracks around the rings and you can't see. Sometimes you could get lucky by looking at it closely. You can see some sort of an oil leak. Yeah, you could say, oh, that's where the crack is. But sometimes you don't, because the vacuum sucks in rather than pushing it out. The best thing to do is replace the vacuum breather hose. These do not exist anymore, no longer available for sale. The way you replace them is with a two-piece replacement breather hose, which will go from the intake manifold to your bank 1, and then again from the bottom of the intake manifold to bank 2. Then clear the code, reset adaptation, and then you are good to go. This is outdated version. Your car might have this one, but you could get rid of this, and then you could use the two pieces, just like that. To remove those, you need to squeeze these. You push them hard, and then you'll be able to pop them out. But to do that, you really cannot get in there to do it, but you need a plier like this. You could easily squeeze this like that. I'm going to try to remove this one. Before you squeeze, you make sure that it's biting in both sides and just push it up like that. And you do the same thing at the bottom and replace them with these two pieces. These ones, they come insulated. They're better than the Y version of it. That's what it is. If you've been chasing to find this piece which cracks and it gets messed up, you can't really buy. This is discontinued. This does not exist anymore, but you could do this just two pieces. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video, and if it is helpful to you, please like and subscribe, and then also comment. So if there's anything you want us to make a video off of, please let us know, and we'll be more than happy to accommodate your requests.